Yeah, now we got a different
I
one.
got one. This is.
Hey, you got
That's the open.
That's like a laptop.
Is this what I think it is?
Yeah, I think it is.
Wow.
The red one.
Wow, Tommy, strange.
I said, what's that?
Yeah, I think all yours right here.
I said,
Yeah, all yours.
what do you say to Junior?
Yeah.
Junior gave you a lot of gifts. And Simon, what do you say to Junior and Simon?
It looks like a laptop. It feels like a laptop.
What if it is? What if it's murder? It's not me.
Mine.
Yeah, I don't
Hey.
know what that's
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
You don't like it?
He loves the Peppa Pig.
You don't like it? Come on, what is it? What is it? What is it?
Vincent, what did you get?
My favorite game.
What did Junior got you?
The fire robot and this.
What do you say to Junior?
You
You need to go give him a hug for that.
Oh yeah, it is. I see the picture. I have the laptop.
Hey,
Vincent.
go opening your,
Vincent, not yet.
Legos.
Not yet.
Mess it up.
You can't open those two because you opened the other two already.
You opened too many.
Is it a BTS jacket?
I didn't open it. I didn't open it. I got two next ones. I don't know what. These are the same thing. I need to sell this.
What are you gonna give? Are you gonna give Junior a hug? Give you everything you like?
I'm giving Junior a present. It's $1.
Oh, go.
The only one from the train?
Another laptop?
What do you guys say?
I think you still got those two.
Look, I think this is yours. I think this is yours.
Come over
Stop
here.
tricking me.
Come over here. Hurry. Breathe. Come over here. Come over here to work.
Chef, put this away. I didn't know Simon bought you this. Don't open it.
Yeah, don't open it.
You ready?
You ready?
I knew you liked that one I got too.
What's that? I said, what you got?
Train
What
track.
Simon gave you?
Better not break that one.
Okay, hold on. We gotta get train track out.
Yeah, keep waiting till I bought you it.
Train track. Yeah, make it